Hi, I'm Ciliann. Welcome to my art channel. In this video, I'll show you how I paint an acrylic landscape painting of autumn splendor. Enjoy! So this is our season right now. We're in autumn. And it's a very interesting season that not every part of the world actually gets to experience. There are some parts of the world that are warm all year round. But for most of us, I guess, we get to see beautiful different colored leaves. And they fall to the ground. And it's just a very colorful and interesting time of year. Coming after the hot summer, it can be a relief for many to finally have the nice cool air again. And the first rains that have that special smell from the different gases released from leaves and the ozone. So there's many different things to experience in the fall. Different things that people enjoy. Some people enjoy watching the birds migrate as they move to the warmer parts of the world, since they can't handle such cold weather in the countries that they naturally live in. It's pretty fascinating how great big flocks of birds travel year after year on the exact same paths. And of course there's the new fruits and vegetables that come into season, like apples and pumpkins and all the kinds of different recipes that you can make out of them. In fact, autumn used to be called harvest, and the full moon that was closest to the autumn equinox was called the harvest moon. And it was very important for the farmers who were harvesting their late year crops in the nighttime before there was electricity. And of course it's understandable why it was called harvest, because that's when many different kinds of fruits and vegetables were finished their season of growing and were being picked and stored in preparation for the cold winter months when they wouldn't be growing. It's also the time of year that people start planting what they want to be harvesting the next summer and fall. So it's a busy time of year for farmers. And for travelers, many people like to travel around to see the foliage. And I guess painters like to see what they can have ideas for their next paintings, since it's very pretty. And the northern lights they start to show up more in this time because the longer, clearer nights. So if you plan on traveling to that part of the world where you can see them, this is the time of year to go. And of course there's the daylight saving time perk that you get an extra hour of sleep. Whether or not you actually get the extra hour, it's fun. So here we have a nice cloudy sky and distant mountains. And if you're enjoying watching me make this beautiful autumn scenery, click the like and subscribe to my channel. We have all different kinds of artwork. And if you have what to say, I'd love to hear your comment. So you can feel free to comment in the section below. Now, since the day is going to be divided pretty much equally, which is the equinox, equal night, make sure you get your vitamin D, since there is less daylight, so you might start missing that. And of course that's why the leaves lose their color, since they have less sunlight to eat. And interestingly enough, they claim that certain animals become smarter in the fall. Not quite sure why, but their brain gets bigger. Like all those squirrels who are busy hoarding all their acorns for the long cold winter, and then forget half of them afterwards and leave them behind stuck somewhere so the forest regrows. Very hopefully. And they claim that autumn is great for the economy, since people go traveling to see all the sights. And maybe it's a good time for us to be smarter also, since we start school again and get back into learning after the lazy summer vacation. So I guess autumn is a fun time for everyone. It's not hot anymore, but it's not quite so cold. And there's lots of interesting things going on, and the world is just changing. So enjoy the autumn, enjoy its smells and its tastes and its sights. And if you have a birthday in the autumn, happy birthday to you. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.